Hello everyone, welcome to video number 4 of my Sequences and series. Today we are looking at example 4, and in this question they are asking us to calculate the value of term 36 in the arithmetic sequence. That is important, it's an arithmetic sequence, and they have given us the sequence as well. Remember, for an arithmetic sequence, the constant difference, that is what makes this an arithmetic sequence. So that means that from one term to the next, we are either adding or subtracting the same number. So now in this arithmetic sequence, we can see, if we are just looking at the terms, that the difference between 1 and -2 is -3. So to get from 1 to -2, we have to subtract 3, and then the same thing happens from -2 to -5. We are also subtracting 3. So this question actually has a negative constant difference. Now, in this question, they have not asked us for the general term, they have asked us straight away for term 36. Now, there are two ways in which you can answer this question. The quickest way to answer this question would be to remember that we have a formula for any term in this number pattern, in this sequence, and if we know what our A, N, and D values are, we can just sub those values in straight away and calculate the value of the term. Since they haven't asked for Tn, for the actual general term, we don't have to calculate that like we did in example 3 in yesterday's video, if you go back to that video. So what we can do here actually is, when we are looking at the number pattern, we can see that the first term is 1 plus n minus 1. Remember, we are calculating term 36. Let me just write that. And in this case, our n value is in fact 36. So I am going to sub in 36 minus 1. If you want to, you can write that as 35 straight away. And now I need to multiply that by the constant difference, which is -3. All that is left for us to do now is to actually just type that into the calculator and to get our answer of -104. So that is a very fast way of doing this example without actually finding the nth term. If you wanted to, you could, of course, find an expression for the nth term. You could have done your substitution of A and D. Remember, it's very important here that since our D value is negative, that when we are substituting it into the formula, we have to put this in brackets because we are multiplying the D value by the bracket in front of it. If you didn't have brackets, then it would look like this. And what is happening here now? I am subtracting 3 from the bracket. This notation that we have over here is not showing that we are multiplying it. So please be careful, guys. You have to put your D value in brackets, especially if it's negative. All right, from here, I'm just quickly going to multiply these brackets out. So I'm going to have 1 minus 3n plus 3, which is -3n plus 4. And then from here, you could then sub in 36 in the place of n, and you will get the same answer. But as you can see, this method is a little bit longer than the first method that I wrote down. Alright guys, I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you are enjoying this series. Please let me know in the comments down below which other series you want to see, especially if you are in different grades, so grade 8, 9, 10, or 11. This is grade 12 work, but I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying this series. So yeah, please let me know, drop a like and a comment, and please follow for more content.